Ever wonder where those delicious little blue orbs of goodness known as blueberries come from? Or perhaps what makes them so beneficial for our health? Today, we journey through the fascinating history of blueberries, unlock the secrets of their health benefits, and even explore some irresistible recipes to incorporate this superfruit into our diet. Blueberries, belonging to the genus Vaccinium, are native to North America. The indigenous tribes of this region have been enjoying these sweet and tangy berries long before European settlers set foot on the continent. Blueberries were a staple in their diet, used not only for their delightful taste, but also for their medicinal properties. These tribes also used blueberries as a natural food colorant, adding a vibrant blue hue to their meals. As we move forward in time, the cultivation of blueberries became more widespread. It was not until the early 20th century, however, that blueberries were domesticated. Thanks to the efforts of Elizabeth Coleman White and Frederick Vernon Coville, the modern blueberry industry was born. Today, North America remains the world's largest producer, with the United States and Canada supplying nearly 3/4 of all the blueberries consumed globally. But the allure of blueberries extends far beyond their sweet, earthy flavor. These small berries pack a powerful nutritional punch. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give blueberries their distinctive blue color. These antioxidants help to combat oxidative stress in our bodies, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Blueberries are also a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Moreover, research suggests that blueberries may enhance brain health. Regular consumption of blueberries or blueberry juice has been linked to improvements in memory and cognitive function, especially in older adults. So not only do they taste good, but they can also help keep our minds sharp. Now, how about incorporating these nutritious berries into our meals? Blueberries are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. For a refreshing start to the day, try adding a handful of blueberries to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. They also make a delightful addition to salads, adding a burst of sweetness to balance out savory flavors. For those with a sweet tooth, blueberries are a staple ingredient in many desserts. Blueberry muffins, pancakes, and pies are classic favorites. Or, for a healthier alternative, consider making a blueberry chia seed pudding. Simply mix together blueberries, chia seeds, and your choice of milk. Then refrigerate overnight for a delicious and nutritious treat. In summary, blueberries are a remarkable fruit with a rich history and numerous health benefits. Whether you're enjoying them fresh, in a smoothie, or in a dessert, these little blue gems are a delightful way to boost your health and add a pop of color to your meals. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a pint or two of these incredibly beneficial berries.